Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Oral activity in Islamiat. Let's test our knowledge about our beautiful religion, Islam. Question 1. In which month do we observe fasts? Think about it. Which month is special for fasting? Yes. The answer is Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. Muslims fast from dawn till sunset during this month to earn rewards and purify their hearts. Question 2. What is azan? Have you ever heard a beautiful call from the mosque? What is it called? Yes, it is called azan. Azan is the call for prayer that tells Muslims it's time to pray. It is announced from the mosque 5 times a day. Question 3. Where do Muslims go to perform Hajj? Hajj is a special journey that Muslims take once in their lifetime if they can. Where do they go for Hajj? Yes, the answer is Makkah. Makkah is the holiest city in Islam. It is where the Kaaba is located, and millions of Muslims travel there every year to perform Hajj. Question 4. Tell the names of 2 Muslim festivals. We celebrate 2 big Islamic festivals every year. Do you know their names? Yes. The answer is Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated after Ramadan to thank Allah for giving us strength to fast. Eid ul-Adha is celebrated to remember the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim. A.S. The great job, everyone. You answered all the questions perfectly. Islam teaches us beautiful lessons, and learning about our religion makes us better Muslims. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you next time for another fun session.